Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grand Master Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're going to be doing more Kreese. If you're wondering why I keep calling him Kreese, I don't know if I mentioned this before or not, but because of the movie Nothing But Trouble, Chevy Chase's character is Chris, and one of the characters, she's a Latina lady, calls him Kreese. It's a good movie. Chevy Chase, Dan Aykroyd, John Candy. You guys should check it out if you haven't watched it. Nothing But Trouble. It's highly recommended. Great movie, funny movie. You should go check it out. But anyway, a couple things before I start. Most importantly, I was having some troubles with action. And the original Part 3 that I recorded, I don't know if action stopped recording and I thought I was recording the whole time and I wasn't. Or I deleted it by accident because I was having so many issues with action lately. I finally got it fixed, but the problem was that because of the problems with action, I had to restart over from the beginning, but I didn't record that. So you might notice some changes in the gameplay, and if you're like, or my inventory, you might say, well, why is this so different? Well, that's because I had issues with action, and that's why. So basically I had to just re-record replay everything up until now, and now I'm officially doing Part 3, so I apologize for that. There's nothing I can do. So anyway, I tried to make everything as close as possible as the way I had it, but it's not going to be 100% accurate, so just bear with me. Alright, so we're going to go to the Tiger Eyes. We'll go to that next. Hopefully my voice quality sounds better to you all. I was able to actually find a action setup video on YouTube. And actually was able to, oh shit! Get him peace! Oh, Lord. In peace! Oh, goody. We're gonna have to burn that guy later, too. Christ almighty. Well, we'll deal with that when the time comes. But he's got a knife in his head. Maybe I won't need to, because he's got a dagger in his head. So. Alright. Tiger Eyes. Down over here. But yeah, I was having trouble with action. I couldn't record in 60 frames per second. It kept crashing. And then just kept crashing altogether no matter what I did. So, but I got it all fixed. The problem is that, yeah, I lost some footage. So some of the footage might be a little different. So for that, I apologize. Alright. Hey, what's this? Okay. Flash grenade. Right. Tiger. Hey, Tiger Eyes. There's an inscription here. Tiger glowing with blue and yellow light. Okay. No. White Ranger Tiger Power. White Ranger Tiger Power. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop. I had to. Oh, we got shotgun shells. Looks nice. Alright. Okay. Here. 4. Alright. Ammo here on the bed. This. Keeper's Diary. May 9th, 1998. Played poker tonight with Scott and Elias from security, and Steve from research. Steve was the big winner, but I think he was cheating. Scumbag. May 10th, 1998. One of the higher-ups assigned me to take care of a new creature. It looks like a skinned gorilla. Feeding instructions were to give it live animals. When I threw in a pig, the creature seemed to play with it, tearing off the pig's legs and pulling out the guts before it actually started eating. May 11th, 1998. At around 5 a.m., Scott woke me up. Scared the shit out of me, too. He was wearing a protective suit. He handed me another one and told me to put it on. Said there'd been an accident in the basement lab. I just knew something like this would happen. Those bastards in research never sleep, even on holiday. May 12th, 1998. I've been wearing the damn spacesuit since yesterday. My skin's getting grimy and feels itchy all over. The goddamn dogs have been looking at me funny, so I decided not to feed them today. Screw them. May 13th, 1998. Went to the infirmary because my back is all swollen and feels itchy. They put a big bandage on and told me I didn't need to wear the suit. All I want to do is sleep. May 14th, 1998. Found another big blister on my foot this morning. I ended up dragging my foot all the way to the dog's pen. They were quiet all day, which is weird. Then I realized some of them had escaped. Maybe this is their way of getting back at me for not feeding them the last 3 days. If anybody finds out, I'll have my head handed to me. May 16th, 1998. Rumors going around that a researcher who tried to escape the estate last night was shot. My entire body feels hot and itchy, and I'm sweating all the time now. I scratched a swelling on my arm, and a piece of rotten flesh just dropped off. What the hell's happening to me? May 19th, 1998. Fever gone, but itchy. Today hungry, and eat doggy food. May 21st, 1998. Itchy, itchy. Scott came. Ugly face. So killed him. Tasty. April something, 4 something. Itchy. Tasty. And there's Scott Itchy Tasty! Oh my god, what's this? Grab the key, dude. Get out of there. Scott Itchy Tasty. Oh, he got his head blown off. Oh god, that guy's still alive. He's going down. Dead. Okay, we're loading my shit. I'm leaving. Alright.
Are you okay? Want me to treat your wounds?
No thanks.
No, I'm okay. But if something should happen to me, I'm counting on you.
No problem. But we're very short on medical supplies, so take care of yourself.
Will do. Will do, little lady. Alright. Put away. Put this away for now. We're gonna go grab some stuff. Or we have enough. Well, be on the safe side. Let's put the armor key away too. We're gonna take those out. Don't worry, we're not going far. We are gonna take this. Alright. So, we're over here. I don't normally do this, but... Oh, Lord. It's Little Shop of Horrors. Feed me, Seymour, feed me! Feed me, Krellborn, feed me now! Anyway, sorry. Anyway, we're gonna injure ourselves a little bit, so Rebecca has a reason to heal us next time we go in there. Oh. Okay, how's my health? I just want to put myself in yellow. Alright. Chris is tough. Chris can take a lot. Okay. Hey, Chris, you're a strong motherfucker. That's right. Oh, Chris. Get damaged, Chris. Wow. He's taking like a champ. Come on, just so we get yellow, just so we get good caution. Okay, there we go. We're in caution now. Alright. Lid on this one. I'll pump the water. No. What you want to do, use the chemicals here. Okay, see how it's turning red? The lid on the water, yes. Which way will you turn it? See how the water is red? That's a clue. The game is basically telling you, turn the pump to the red, motherfucker. So that's what you want to do. There goes Audrey, too. Not having a very good day. Okay, so we got some stuff here. I cleared up some room. We're not going to use these. We're going to have Rebecca heal us. Okay. Okay. What's this? Take the death mask. Yes. Man, death mask. The death mask without eyes. Gotcha. See no evil, I guess. Oh shit. They're breaking in. They're coming true. Oh my god. Alright.
Are you okay? Want me to treat your wounds?
Yes, please.
Yeah, would you?
Rebecca has treated your wounds.
Thanks.
Somebody sure knows how to get a deal. Most of the medical supplies here are from Umbrella.
Umbrella?
Don't you know? They're only the biggest taxpayers around here. They make most of these medicines right here. Homegrown in Raccoon City. But there's not much left, so take care of yourself.
Alright. So, Dharma key. Drop these off. Alright. Off we go. Okay. Alright. So, we go first. Uh, let me think. Let's. I know where we'll go. Oh no, it's a Crimson! Oh, good lord. Oh, he's not dead yet! He dead? Oh my lord, that scared me. Oh, good lord. Okay. Where were we going? Oh yeah, in here. Ugh. My goodness. Younglings, Padawans. Scary. Scared. Terrifying. Alright. Well, he's dead. Okay, Zombo. Let's go. He's down. Okay. This. Like the candelabra. Oh shit, he's coming in. Shoot! Fire! Take aim! Oh shit. That crap. Blew his fucking head off. Alright. Oh, this way. Take these. Here. Oh god. explode. Alright. 2 bullets and he's down. Nope. It's 4 bullets. Okay, he's bleeding. Dead. Well, right now. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I grabbed these before, but we'll grab them now. You know what? We'll grab them later. Grab them later. This way. That's right. Oh, we don't need that yet. That's right. My bad. Brain fart there, Padawans. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know if... Yeah, this guy's already dead. I don't know if he was already dead before in the past 2 videos, but... Yeah, he's dead now, so... Yeah, sorry about that. Again, blame action. It glitched on me. Do I have... Oh, I gotta get this first.
It's me, Chris.
Rebecca.
That sounded like Moonlight Sonata.
Can you play?
You can tell it was that from my shitty playing. It sounded like anything to me.
Oh, what was that?
My interpretation is off a little. Let me practice for a while.
Sure.
Sure. But don't get too carried away.
Oh, I won't.
Alright, let's do this one first. Say, woe to those who disturb my sleep. Switch your press it? No. One do. Push this one first. Over this one. And the sword guy should move on his own. There you go. Now you can press it. God, oh, nice inside. Oh. I think I might have done one of these things before in the other videos. I think. I don't remember. I think I did. And if you're seeing it again, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about that. I couldn't remember where I was because I was having so much trouble just trying to figure out what the problem was with action. And then, yeah, some other things happened, which I won't go into. But, yeah, and then I just haven't played this in a while, so I couldn't remember where I was. So if you're seeing something before, you're seeing again, I apologize. Again, blame action, kept crashing and glitching. I didn't know what the problem was, but it's fixed now. And now I got my voice quality better. Okay. Oh god, zombies! Okay, what you want to do? Okay, let me show you how to do this first. This time I don't think I did this for Jill either, so hang on. Lisa, protected by the three spirits. Picture of a woman wearing a bracelet, a necklace, and a crown. Switch at the bottom. Picture. Press it? No. Do not press that. What you want to do is come back here. This way. Press this one first. Bracelet. Turns orange. Color of the bracelet. Then you come around here. Don't shoot in here because you'll alert the crows. Come here to this one. Picture of a saint wearing a crown. Set in yellow stained glass. Turns green. This one. Picture of a sage wearing a necklace. Set in red stained glass. Switch it. Yes. Turns purple. Now, go back here to the thing. See, the bracelet's in orange, brown's in green, and the necklace is in purple. So you did it right. Now you push the button. I should have taken the key with me because we could have avoided all that bullshit. But oh well. Examine. Death mask. Death mask with a mouth. Alright. Oh shit, it's a zombie! Zombie! Take that zombo! Look out for the thing! Oh god, they're coming! Oh god, they're coming! Oh my lord. Alright. I think this is where I'm going to end the video for now. Alright, so I just want to say thank you all for watching. I'll be back next week with more peace. And yeah, until then, my younglings and Padawans, remember, the Force will be with you. Always.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvair of the Rebellion. The Grand Master has requested me to convey some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as paying cast and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, Mr. Erasmus.